Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to our Ekta podcast season 2, celebrating bonds of friendship. Today we have a super cool group with us that comprises of some legends and some newbies of our JCs. And before we start, let's just do a quick intro with all of them.
Hi, I am Shivam.
Hi, I'm Aditi.
Hi, I'm Neha. Shruti, who was the legend you were referring to? I want to know after the intro.
Hi, I am Ayushi.
Hi, Ruchita.
Hi, Shubham.
Hi, I'm Vaibhav.
Hi, I'm Shreya.
Hi, I am Naman.
Hi, I'm Karthik.
Hi, I'm Gitika. Hi, I'm Romsha.
Hi, I'm Manu.
Hi, I'm Praful.
Super cool. So let's just get started now and dive into their masti. What's the weirdest group chat name you've ever had for this gang?
Oh, we have a girls' gang name which is named as Dark Desires.
Cool. Okay. Which inside joke still cracks you all up even though no one else gets it?
Okay, so it goes something like this कि करण अर्जुन के बीच में क्या है? Please do not ask me.
Do not ask for
Let's keep it inside.
If your group was a Bollywood movie, what would it be called?
So we can name it as Houseful as we do not want anybody else to enter the group anymore.
Who has the most questionable fashion sense but rocks it with confidence?
It's a tie. It's a tie between Manu Agarwal and Naman.
Everybody agrees? Yes! Who takes the longest to get ready and who's always yelling, "We are late"?
Yeah, Praful is the one who always gets late and Ruchita is the one who's yelling.
Always yelling. Besides me.
Who's the mom of the group and who's the chaos handler?
And chaos I want to correct. Neha is not the mom of the group. She's the mummy G of the group.
Mummy Ji.
Yes, mummy G.
If your friendship had a theme song, what would it be?
Let's sing together. तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों, तुम जैसे बेटियों का सहारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का हमारा है दोस्तों.
Who's most likely to start a dance party anywhere, anytime?
Geetu Singh.
Without saying.
Geetika Gupta.
What's your collective guilty pleasure? Like a midnight Maggie, something like that.
Shubham will tell them.
Only alcohol.
Only alcohol.
Collective guilty pleasure.
Going to the dhaba. Maybe pinne softy. Yeah.
At midnight. Which trip did you plan 10 times and never actually go to? Almost
It has to be Goa. It has to be Goa.
World without going anywhere.
We have planned it several times. It never works out. I don't know why.
Who's the unofficial photographer and who's always blinking in every pic?
Of course, Ayushi.
I'm the unofficial photographer. She's the official credit. Okay.
And who's always blinking in every pic?
And answer to the second one, who is always blinking is Romsha. Because she never gets a perfect picture.
towards each other.
Who would go viral on social media first and for what reason?
No!
For making such wonderful reels.
Ayushi? The answer is Ayushi for glamour reasons, of course.
Ah, nice. Who's the walking red flag, but we all still love him?
By Kapoor में दो Kapoor हो सकते
They both share the same birthday.
Yeah.
the effect I can see.
Who's most likely to fake a British accent while ordering pani puri?
We can't say about British accent, but we have a Thai accent perfectionist between us. No, all the fingers are pointing at me.
Because you're good at it.
I'm on my way while still sitting on the pot.
On the again two people are there.
Again, Naman is again here.
Can we have one name, please?
Naman.
Okay,
Naman.
He enjoys his personal space. So he enjoys his personal space and doesn't want to be disturbed. When? Let's go.
Who gives the worst advice but says it so confidently that everybody listens anyway?
This person.
It's not a couple thing.
He'll always say, we want to go on a boys trip. We want to go on a boys trip. Of course, we can't let it happen, no?
Okay, now this one is a super interesting question, guys. If each of you had a warning label, what would it say?
So I'll start with Shivam. Shivam is Eno. 6 सेकेंड में काम शुरू. Okay. Then Aditi is fragile cargo. Neha, the legend. Mouth operates faster than brain.
True. So true.
Manu Agarwal, low memory space. Any new information may be lost. Good one. Okay. Praful, anti-social bodybuilder.
Thank you.
Rom Shah, the official adult of the group. All right. Ayushi, tube light is not working. Geetika, this person has sharp edges. Okay, then Karthik, brutally honest. Always. Shubham is king of OCD. Manu Seth बिना चिपकाए मानेगा नहीं. All right, Shreya is mood swings in progress.
Always.
Naman JK wall putty.
अरे भाई साहब.
So Ruchita's is may contain trace amounts of sarcasm.
ये ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट वाला दे सकते
उसका आंसर कार्तिक है, वो ब्रिटिश
नहीं बदल नहीं सकता.
Okay, so lastly, who would you say is the binding force of your group, the one who keeps everyone connected and brings the group together?
She's the one.
Thank you, Shruti.
Thank you for the hard work. Love having you all here. Thank you.
Thank you.